curious minds, and welcome back to the infamous King channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate world of the human body, uncovering mind-blowing facts that will make you see yourself in a whole new light. I'm your host, Infamous King, and get ready for a journey through the marvels of human anatomy that will leave you utterly captivated. Let's kick things off with our body's hidden architecture, the skeleton. Did you know that by the time you reach adulthood, you've got a completely new set of bones? It's like your body is running an underground construction project, constantly renewing and remodeling. The skeleton, my friends, is the ultimate builder, creating afresh you every decade. Imagine your skeleton as the hard-working foreman on a construction site, ensuring that everything stays sturdy and intact. And here's the kicker: every smile, every step, and every high five you've ever given has the unmistakable touch of this internal architectural genius. Now, let's shift our focus to the unsung heroes of motion, muscles. These powerhouses are like an army, working seamlessly to perform the tiniest twitches and the grandest leaps. But here's the kicker: your muscles are so strong that, if given the right conditions, they could pull an incredible 25 tons. Move over, superheroes. Our bodies are the real powerhouse. So, next time you flex those biceps, just remember, you're wielding some serious strength. It's a reminder that beneath our everyday movements lies a dazzling dance of fibers, contracting and relaxing in perfect harmony. Now, let's journey into the brain, the enigmatic maestro orchestrating this symphony of life. Did you know that your brain generates more electrical impulses in a single day than all the telephones in the world combined? It's a buzzing metropolis of neurons, communicating at lightning speed, creating a masterpiece of thoughts, emotions, and memories. Picture your brain as the ultimate rock concert, with neurons as the rock stars, sending signals to each other in a mesmerizing dance. It's a performance that happens every moment, even as you're watching this video. Now, that's what I call brain power. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the extraordinary world of human anatomy. From the bone builders to the muscle maestros and the brain's symphony, our bodies are a masterpiece of nature's design. If you found these facts as mind-blowing as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more intriguing content. Until next time, this is Infamous King signing off from the Infamous King channel. Stay curious, stay amazed, and keep exploring the wonders that make you, well, you.